guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Berry. So I'm hoping you're having a great weekend, and I noticed that I've been uploading my new tutorial video or this video on the weekend or even on Monday. So this is what I'm trying to keep up with, you know, new video, new tutorial on the weekend, so you will have time to watch it. So today, as you can see the scene right here, the Among Us Deadbody reported. And then so after I did the tutorial to build the Among Us 3D Perler, I hope you build one already, because a lot of people have tagged me on Instagram and mentioned me on their story or their post. I love seeing all of them. So after I did the tutorial to show you guys how to make this one, I got a lot of requests to also make the Deadbody, which was one of the popular in the game. So everybody wants to make this one as well, so they can play it like a set or like do it for like a picture. So here's my take of the Deadbody. So I try to make it as easy as possible, so even if you have it's not a lot of pieces and it's really quick to make it. So I totally recommend you to choose. So feel free to start on this one first, or if you want to start on the Among Us first, you can go to the link here. So you can start building your Among Us 3D Perler first. I promise you, it's actually pretty easy and it's really fun. A lot of people already made this one, and then you can come back to this and make the whole set, or stick with me right now and then make this one. Yeah, so it's super cute. So like I said earlier, since I'm trying to post a new tutorial every weekend, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll get notification when I have new tutorials coming up. Sometimes I post twice a week, so you're gonna build something that you like. And then also, as you know, this one is tutorial to build this one, the Laker shoes. It's coming up when I hit 600 subscribers, so don't miss out. Again, and thank you everyone for following me on Instagram and also subscribing my channel already. Thank you for all your support. So let's jump into this.
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Okay, so let's get started. And I counted earlier to build the Among Us Deadbody. You only need all these 13 pieces, and it's super easy. So let's get started. So this is gonna be the main piece to start. Okay, so the short edge is facing the front, and then this is like a long tail to the back. And then we're gonna start with the side pieces. So this is gonna be one of the side pieces. So let's come into the side. And then this is the other side piece. Let's go to the other side. So it's gonna like this. So we still have the front and the back to insert. So the next piece that we're gonna use is this one. Okay. So let's insert it to the front. There we go. And then the other one, the same thing, goes to the back. Right here. Just like so. And then let's build the two side, right? So the two side, this one is gonna be going to one of the side. And then the other one goes to the other side. Just like so. Alright, so let's go to the front. And then so you see we have these two pieces. They look the same, except this one has the 3 slot and then this one don't have it. So we're gonna use this one and pop to the top. Just like so. And then this one with the hole will go to the back. Yeah. Looks like we're almost done. So now we have the two pieces left right here. You're just gonna pop them to the back, as you can see. So one at a time. All right. So this blue one goes to the bottom and just follow the pattern and just hold all the pieces in the way it holds all the pieces in place. And then coming to the last piece right here, so the red part goes to the holes right here. Let me see. Just like so. There we go. Isn't it cute? Okay, so we got this. So you have to make the Among Us as well, so they can come into a whole set, and then, you know, so they can surround him and say, Deadbody reported. So if you make this one or make the Among Us or any other creation 3D Perler, tag me on Instagram so I can see them, and then share your story or your post to others so they can see how amazing your creation is. So others can also know that, you know, they can make things that they enjoy without like spending a lot of money to buy it, and then also choose like different colors, like customize it however they like. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my video and give me a thumbs up, and then stay tuned for more tutorial coming up. So have a wonderful weekend and the week, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.